Hi, welcome to Codition. Today I am going to show you a medical report automation which will help you to generate medical reports using a PowerPoint template. So as you can see that there are two reports I have just printed, and these are in PDF as well as in PPT format. So this is the automation, and this is how your folder structure should look like when you download this automation. So here is export, where you get the output of the files, and here is a template, the main template which will be used for this automation. So let me quickly take you through how this automation is working. So when we click on this generate report, so this goes to the main module, and here we first check for the template folder if it is present or not. If it is not present, we create a directory, and if the template is not there, then we have to tell that the automation is not present. Now what we are doing is we are getting all the elements from the folder. Oh, sorry, here we are clearing this particular area, and then we are looping through each file of the automation, so where each sheet of the automation, sorry. And here when you see there is p underscore star, it means it is a patient. So whatever customer name or patient name you want to add, you have to start that with the p underscore. So say I want to, let me just clear this, and it's going to clear all the information. Let me just delete this and just duplicate this one, move and copy, move to end, create a copy. This is my other customer whose name is Shreya Singh. So it should begin with p underscore, otherwise it will be not taken as a customer. So Shreya Singh, and we can input other details here. Now let me go here and click on refresh. It is going to refresh and tell me these are two patients which has been found. So now I can click on generate report. So when I click on generate report, it is going to other macro which is called as print PPT report, and which is under mod print. Actually this was created for a customer, and somebody already did some coding on this, but if I would have been the developer, I should have done it in a better way. So this is how they are calling a table shape, and then they are putting the values. So just to brief you about this, like here we are adding a value, and here is a name. Where it is going is, if I open the slide, in the very beginning you will see this name in two brackets. So this is how it is replacing the names. So if you want to make some changes, you would need to understand it well and spend a lot of time. You might get frustrated as well, but I take no guarantee of that, because I have not used this logic, which is very complex and confusing, but somehow the automation works. Okay, so I click on generate reports, it will show Rahul, and it is printing. Now do not touch anywhere, otherwise it will create issue. So there are 105 pages, and it is going to replace like this one is being replaced, Rahul Sharma. Slowly it will replace everything. On the left of the sheet you will see printing Rahul Sharma. So you have to wait till it prints Rahul Sharma, then it will change to Shreya Singh. Now one report is printed, and now other Shreya Singh is being printed. Okay, it is publishing PDF now. Alright, so two reports have been printed, and here we can see that Shreya Singh and Rahul Sharma. So let us just look at the very first, Shreya Singh, and the information has been put. Somebody has created this slide very nicely. Alright, so you can download it, play with this, and I'm sure you will face a lot of issues when you are making the changes, and that's how we all learn. So thank you for watching, and for similar kind of videos you can subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.